Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change your name on KLM Ticket. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in klm.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to KLM if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change name on KLM Ticket. So first of all, go to the KLM website and log into your account. And then find your upcoming flights and click on Manage Booking or My Trip. We have it here in the top left corner. As you can see, the second in this tab, where if you have a trip, it will be here. Then enter your reservation code and last name to locate your booking. Look for the option to change name on your ticket. This is usually found under a section like Modify or Name Correction. Enter the correct name as it appears on your passport and follow the prompt to submit your name change request. If the name change is due to a typo, KLM will correct it for free. However, if it's a significant change, there might be fee involved. Make sure to submit your request at least 72 hours before departure. So that's basically what you of course need to do. And if you go check out here, what we also have on this profile, so you have your home, my trip, check-in information. We have here where you can book a flight. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. Hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.